好，下面我们来看一下这一道题 Material and Non-Material Culture。首先呢，要把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。好，我们来看一下第一部分。For the purposes， 注意这个复数，有个 of， 对不对？前后连在一起。For the purposes of argument， 这里有个逗号，有个停顿，这个 t 要发清楚。Culture is divided。注意 ed 的形式，小小的拖音。Culture is divided into material and non-material。一个 pause。And the 口型，这个 d 要做到位，然后呢，跟的是 the。And the speaker's aim is to show how they both affect each other。affect each other 这个 t 非常的迅速。第一句还是比较简单的，我们连在一起读一下。For the purposes of argument, culture is divided into material and non-material, and the speaker's aim is to show how they both affect each other. 好，我们来看第二部分。Material develops in tools and technology. Okay, tools and technology can affect 这个 t 大家要注意了 ，can affect non-material culture.Our customs and beliefs, and the other way around. All right, materials develops into tools and technology can affect non-material culture. Our customs and beliefs, and the other way around. 就注意这个 d, OK? 这一块一定要格外注意一下。下面我们来看一下第三部分。Genetics is used. Genetics is used. 注意这个复数 used.As an example, as it 这个不要读成 it，OK 是 it. As it has changed the way we think about life. Think about life 这个 k 口型一定要做出来。Think about life 读快一点。Think about life. Think about life. But also, but 这个 t 口型做出来。But also, our beliefs have affected its rate of 前后连在一起 its rate of development 不用读成 development OK develop 合音嘴巴合住这个 p 的口型做到位 development 我们连起来读一下 Genetics is used as an example as it can change the way we think about life but also our beliefs have affected its rate of development 好我们把3个部分连在一起通读一遍 For the purposes of argument, culture is divided into material and non-material, and the speaker's aim is to show how they both affect each other. Material develops in tools and technology can affect non-material culture, our customs and beliefs, and the other way around. Genetics is used as an example as it has changed the way we think about life, but also our beliefs have affected its rate of development. All right, thank you guys.